Now in this video we are going to discuss about their back exercise question of lesson acid, base and salt. First question is, a solution turned red litmus blue, its pH is likely to be these some options are given in your book and its pH is 10. Blue color is on 10 pH. See pH chart and then you find the color. A solution react with crushed eggshell. Give a gas which turn lime water milky. That acid, that solution is sodium chloride solution, HCl solution, lithium chloride solution and potassium chloride solution. That solution is HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Eggshell is made up of calcium carbonate. When you dip some eggshell in dilute hydrochloric acid, its shell get decomposed. It react with HCl and give carbon dioxide gas which turn lime water milky. So this is not sodium chloride, not lithium chloride, not potassium chloride. This is what? Hydrochloric acid which react with eggshell and release which gas? Carbon dioxide gas which turn lime water milky. I hope all of you understand this concept. Next, third question is, 10 milliliter of a solution of sodium chloride is found to completely neutralize by 8 milliliter of solution of HCl. If we take 20 ml of same solution, then what amount of HCl is required? Listen very carefully beta. 10 ml सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए आपको 8 मिलीलीटर HCl की रिक्वायरमेंट है, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड की रिक्वायरमेंट है. अगर आप सॉल्यूशन सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के सॉल्यूशन को डबल कर रहे हो, 20 ml कर रहे हो, तो HCl की रिक्वायरमेंट 8 से कितनी हो जाएगी? डबल. तो नाउ दिस आंसर इज 16 मिलीलीटर. Which one of the following type of medicine is used for treatment of indigestion? I hope all of you face this problem of indigestion. Then what you have to do? If you feel some acidity, stomach ache, then what you do at that time? I hope all of you take ENO. So ENO is a antacid which control our body acidity. When in our stomach some excess of acid is released, then stomach pain will start and food cannot be digested. To take its proper digestion, we use medicine antacid. What we use? Antacid. Because antibiotics are used for treatment, fever etc. एनर्जेसिक बॉडी टेम्परेचर कम करने के लिए यूज़ होते हैं. एंटासिड हमारी स्टमक प्रॉब्लम के लिए, एसिडिटी को कंट्रोल करने के लिए यूज़ होती है. एंटीसेप्टिक हम बोरोलिन वगैरह हाथों पर कहीं पर भी कट हो तो अप्लाई करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ योर एंटासिड. राइट वर्ड इक्वेशन एंड देन बैलेंस इक्वेशन फॉर द रिएक्शन टेकिंग प्लेस विद व्हेन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, dilute sulfuric acid react with zinc granule. Zinc granule means zinc small pieces. So zinc here is solid, zinc granule. Sulfuric acid formula is H2SO4. We get zinc sulfate and H2 gas release. When you bring matchstick, burn matchstick in contact with H2 gas, it produces pop sound. So what is this equation? Zinc Zn plus H2SO4 gives zinc sulfate plus H2 gas.